I am definitely not one to use return to home feature unless I'm like really lazy. With that being said, I'm going to show you guys today how to use the telemetry on the DJI Mavic Mini to get your way back home. Big shout out to Autonomous Drone Services and madmixtube.com for providing us with the equipment to make these videos possible. By using the word telemetry, I'm referring to two things over here. Number one, the map in the bottom middle section over here, this little circle with the pointy arrow. And I'm also referring to the maps in the bottom left corner as well, that shows you where you are, where the drone is, and your surrounding areas and locations. So, which is also expandable, by the way, which is pretty cool. So I'm referring to those two tools that's going to be on your screen while you're flying. So to put things in context for you, I'm just going to show you where I am and what I'm trying to film. I'm a run and gun type of dude, and that's one of the beauties of having the Mavic Minis, that you can just pretty much, you see something you like, you just pull over and you fly. And that's one of the absolute coolest features of having such a portable drone that you could take anywhere and fly every day. So there's a church behind me. You probably can't see it over here. Let me put you out the window. See that little church peeking out over there? Yep, that's the church that I'm aiming for, and you can see where I am relative to the church. Like, I'm pointed this way and the church is pointed that way. So that means I would like have to point my controller this way if I'm flying. I'm kind of lazy, so I probably won't do that, but I know where I am and I know where the church is relative to me on the ground, and that's the first most important thing. You have to know where you are relative to where you're going, your point of interest, what you're aiming for, basically. And that's the first key step before you even start flying. Once you get up there in the air, well, I'll show you. Let's get the Mini up. Compass is very simple to calibrate. I only do it if it asks me to, and that's probably because I'm in a car, and the car has a lot of metal, so that throws the compass off. So I'm going to stick it out the window and do it. And that's just, there you go. I'll just kind of keep the drone out the window, so that way I'll give you a view over here. Not much of a view, but there we go. I'll just kind of keep the drone out the window, so that way the metal from the car doesn't interfere with the compass. And then just hit the takeoff button and let it do its thing. First thing we're gonna look at, let's go up to about 50-60 feet. That's good. All right, the first thing that I'm gonna look at is point towards my point of interest. Now, if you look at the arrow at the bottom of the screen, there's like a triangle, a small triangle, and a circle. Right, the circle shows you the field. There's like a radiation radiating from the circle. That shows you your signals being pitched out that way, like your signals radiating that way. And the triangle shows you where the drone is. So I'm headed out. I'm gonna go a little higher because I don't like flying close to power lines and stuff like that. All right, stop this recording and start again. Well, of course, I'm in a city-like area, so it's just a lot of Wi-Fi over here. I'm gonna get a lot of interference. Plus, the drone's going that way. All right, let's. Alright, I'm definitely gonna have to come outside for this shot, because yeah, it's just too much interference. Alright, so you see now how where the arrows are pointed, where my controller's pointed. I'm pointed right at the drone, and it shows that my signal is being radiated straight towards the drone from these antennas. So I'm in the optimal position right now. So look, if I turn away, do you see where the triangle goes? That triangle is pointed to the side over here, and that's showing me that my drone is to the left. I come back, boom, I'm pointed directly towards at my drone. That shows me. Also, the arrow shows you the direction of the drone, what direction the drone is facing. So if I use my left stick, which I will use right now, and I spin the drone around, look. Do you see that? Look at the triangle. Look at the triangle go. Pretty nifty, huh? There you go. I'm gonna focus back on the church. That's optimal. That's not. If I move completely the other way, see what happens? So I hope that helps to put things in perspective. You can use that to fly back home simply by spinning the drone around with the left stick. There you go. So the tip, do you see that? The tip of the triangle is pointed towards the circle. Once you push forward now, means push forward on the right stick, which I'm about to do, then that pretty much means the drone is headed home. Again, put the tip, just spin it around. Put the tip of the triangle towards the circle, push forward to go forward. And pretty much the drone will return home. It's as simple as that. And you can look at your distance and you can see how far away from the home point you are. In this case, 24 feet. And I look up. There it is. Now, the other way that I want to show you is using the map. So let's go back in the car and we'll go in the other direction. Now I'm going to open the maps. It also shows which direction. So you see, look, the maps is the same basic concept here with the maps. It points the arrow and it shows you home. This is actually an easier way to fly back home. And you actually have at the bottom left, you actually have a little mini view of where you're going as well. There we go. I'm using the map screen. And again, the telemetry is there at the bottom there at the left. So you can see your distance, your height. I'm 36 feet away. I'm literally like right above me. There we go. There we go. Just go to a big open area, not like where I am right now. And just practice till you get the hang of using the telemetry. And always use these tools. They're very useful tools. They're very simple and easy to use once you understand them. I hope this video was helpful. Smash the like button, thumbs up, thumbs down, whichever one works for you. Please subscribe for more Mavic Mini videos. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can get notified when I release new videos. With that being said, I've had a long night and a start to what's going to be a really long day. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. I'm going to go home and get some rest. I'll talk to you guys when I can. Big shout out to Autonomous Drone Services and madmixtube.com for providing us with the equipment to make these videos possible. I'm still giving away 6 DJI Mavic 2 Pros or Zooms. Head over to my Patreon account, donate $1, become a patron, and automatically you're entered to win a chance to win one of 6 of those drones. Guys, let's make this happen. Come on, support me and help me support you.